Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you a video on how I retouched my hair for the second time since starting the relaxing hair journey. Like you already know, if you are already my subscriber here, I went natural after 6 years of retouching my hair, and this is the second time since after relaxing for the first time. So this is a method I wish to try. I am already I already know the process of relaxing my hair, and this is not my first time of relaxing my hair by myself, but this is my first time of using this method. So I noticed, or I think, that this method will be more effective than the one I'm used to, because with this method you don't get to use relaxer, you don't get to apply relaxer. The relaxer does not touch the ends that have already been relaxed. The method I'm used to is the method of picking my hair or cutting my hair as I'm going with my fingers and then applying relaxer as I'm going. And with that method, relaxer always touches my relaxed ends, and that's not healthy for the hair. So what I want in this relaxer hair journey is a healthy hair. I want to maintain a healthy, relaxed hair, and also maintain length too. So this whole process is sort of an experiment for me too. So let's see if we can maintain a healthy, relaxed hair while being deliberate with, some of the things we do to make sure that it's healthy. So these are the items I'm going to be using. I have this combs to be using to relax my hair. I have this glove. See, they are just medical gloves. I don't have any special gloves for relaxer for relaxer application. What I have is the medical glove, which I have in the house. So that's what I have handy here. I grabbed them. These are other items. I will leave them in the description box. So these are other items I'm going to be using for this process. So here I noticed that I am sweating on my head, so I had to use the hand fan to kind of like cool myself down. Then here is I'm using the hair cream to apply. I'm on the phone already, so I'm using the hair cream to go around my hair and all the parts where I have parted the hair. The whole idea is so that I will not get burnt. Like I will not, to reduce burnt, the possibility of burning my hair and all. So here, simple step of relaxing hair. I pick each twisted strand, apply relaxer, and then drop. Pick each twisted strand, apply relaxer, and then drop. Each twisted strand, apply relaxer, and then drop. I don't know what I'm saying. Each twisted strand, I pick a twisted strand, then I apply relaxer generously on it, and then drop, because if you don't apply enough, it does not process well. So I apply generously on the hair, and then especially the new growth, and then drop. I couldn't be careful enough to say I don't want the relaxer to touch my scalp. I can't help it. I'm not I can't see those parts. If I was a professional, or if I was doing it on someone else's hair, I will know how to go about that. But since time is not on my side, because I have 15 to 20 minutes to work, I have to just work as fast as I can. So this is how much relaxer I have remaining from just this touch up so far, and I didn't touch the edges yet because they are quicker to process. So I will not be touching the edges yet until much later, close to when I'm about to wash up the hair. So here I have a bit of a problem with this method I'm using, because I was wondering, okay, how will I loosen these twists? How am I going to loosen the ends of this hair? Because I am afraid that if I go into the shower to wash up this relaxer, the whole hair will tangle up. I'm afraid that the whole hair will tangle up if I get to the shower. So I was trying to loosen the hair. It was taking time, and remember, time is on our side. The whole process is, the whole idea is to make sure that we get the whole process complete. We don't want to have a half done hair. So I had to quickly go on and complete the whole relaxer process. I applied the relaxer on the edges, combed them out, gave it all the care that it needed. So I noticed I have a bit of time, maybe a couple of minutes I think. So I quickly went and used the time to loosen all the twists, and that worked for me. So I loosened all the twists and then went ahead to wash off the hair. So here I am done with washing the hair. So I'm using the Mega Growth Deep Conditioner plus the mayonnaise, the ORS mayonnaise, to apply on my hair. I don't have time to mix them in a container before applying, so I just quickly mix them with my hand. I'll pick a bit of the two products, mix them in my hand, and then go ahead to apply generously on my hair. So I went ahead, did all that, make sure I combed it very well, wrapped them together, and then put my hair or wrapped in a plastic bag, and then went to sit under the heat. So thanks for watching. Do subscribe to this channel for more look tips, share with your friends, comment, and let me know what you think about this. Bye.